Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Instagram, or even your bank magically make sense of billions of data points every single day? But what if I told you the secret behind that magic isn't a team of superhumans? It's a tiny Python library that works faster than 100 people combined. And today, I'm going to reveal how this one library quietly runs the world of data. Welcome back to Ruby Parker, where learning meets the future. And today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in tech, Pandas. Yes, Pandas, not the animal, the library. And trust me, once you understand Pandas, you'll see data in a way you never have before. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever opened an Excel file with so many rows that your laptop literally sighed and said, "Not today, buddy"? Have you ever tried cleaning data manually and felt like you were slowly losing your sanity? Or maybe you've wondered, how do data scientists take messy, chaotic information and turn it into something meaningful? Well, Pandas is the superhero behind all of that. And today, we're going to explore it from start to finish in the most fun, friendly, and mind-blowing way possible. Because if you stay till the end, you'll not just understand Pandas, you'll actually feel how powerful it is. So let's jump in. Imagine this. You walk into a giant library, millions of books, all scattered randomly. Some books are upside down, some are missing pages, some are in the wrong section, some are written in a language you don't even understand. That giant mess, that's real-world data. Messy, confusing, unorganized. And now imagine someone walks in, waves their hand, and the books magically arrange themselves. By category, by date, by author, alphabetically, numerically, by any criteria you want. That magical person, that's Pandas. Pandas takes chaotic data and turns it into information. But here's the shocking part. Pandas is not huge, it's not complicated, and it's not slow. It's just incredibly smart. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this little library handles data better than most humans ever could. Let's start with the basics. Pandas gives us two main superpowers, series and data frames. But don't worry, we're not going into boring textbook definitions. Let me tell you what they really are. A series is like a single column in an Excel sheet, just one neat, organized line of information. A data frame is like the entire Excel sheet, rows, columns, labels, values, everything. If series is a sentence, data frame is the entire story. And trust me, Pandas is one of the best storytellers in the tech world. Now, let me ask you another question. Have you ever tried searching for something in a giant list manually, like scrolling through thousands of items just to find one value? Annoying, right? But Pandas can locate values instantly, like a detective who can sniff out information in milliseconds. You can ask Pandas things like, show me all students older than 18, show me all sales above 10,000, show me all rows where the city is New York. And boom, Pandas answers instantly. It doesn't flip pages, it doesn't scroll endlessly, it just knows. It's like Google search for your data. But wait, what if your data is messy? Missing values, extra spaces, wrong spellings, weird formats, duplicate rows? Well, Pandas cleans everything. It's like a washing machine for your data. Throw in all the messy stuff, and it comes out fresh, organized, and usable. Ever seen analysts brag about clean data? Yeah, Pandas probably did 90% of that work for them. But here's the part most beginners don't realize. Pandas isn't only for data scientists, it powers everything. Finance, banking, education, healthcare, gaming, AI, even social media. Imagine Instagram without Pandas. Imagine Netflix without Pandas. Imagine stock markets processing millions of trades without Pandas. Let me give you an example. Netflix uses Pandas to track what you watch, when you pause, what you skip, what you rewatch, how long you stay on the app, and what your pattern is compared to millions of other users. Then it predicts what you want to watch next. Every single day. That's Pandas. Still with me? Good, because now it gets even more exciting. Let's talk about speed. You know how Python is slow sometimes? Well, Pandas is built on top of NumPy, which is insanely fast. Think of it like this. Python is like a regular car. NumPy is a sports bike. Pandas is a spaceship sitting on top of that bike. It's fast, efficient, optimized, and built to handle thousands, even millions of rows. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Pandas can process data so fast that tasks taking hours in Excel can finish in a few seconds. Yeah, seconds. But let's not stop there. Pandas has another hidden talent: transformation. You can reshape data, cut it, filter it, sort it, merge it, group it, analyze it. Just imagine you have one table of customer names, another table with purchases, another table with locations. Pandas can merge all three into one clean dataset like it's nothing, like slicing and joining Lego pieces, but at lightning speed. And now, the part everyone loves, visualization. Pandas can talk to Matplotlib and Seaborn like old friends. You can literally turn numbers into beautiful graphs with just one line. Imagine being able to see trends, patterns, spikes, dips, instantly. Your data suddenly becomes alive. If raw data is a heartbeat, Pandas graphs are the ECG machine showing you its rhythm. But here's something people rarely talk about. Pandas is not just a tool, it's a gateway skill. Every data job, every machine learning model, every AI pipeline, every analysis task, everything starts with Pandas. If data is the new oil, Pandas is the refinery that makes it usable. Once you know Pandas, doors open. Data analysis, machine learning, AI, business intelligence, finance, healthcare analytics, even tech interviews become easier. Learning Pandas is like learning English for the data world. It's the default language, but we're not done yet. Let me ask you something dramatic. What if I told you that every major company, from Google to Tesla, relies on Pandas every single day? What if I told you that behind every dashboard, every report, every prediction model, there's probably a Pandas data frame silently doing all the heavy lifting? You might think I'm exaggerating. I promise you, I'm not. Pandas is everywhere. It's the invisible backbone of modern technology. Now, let's make this personal. Imagine you're analyzing your YouTube channel's performance. Thousands of rows, views, likes, watch time, countries, devices. Instead of manually filtering everything, Pandas does it for you. Show me all viewers from the US. Show me videos with above average watch time. Show me videos that performed better on weekends. Boom, done in seconds. Now imagine applying that power to business, to education, to science, to your personal projects. See how big this is? All right, let's go even deeper. One of the coolest features in Pandas is something called Groupie. Now don't get scared, you'll love this. Imagine you have a list of students and their marks. You want to see the average marks for each class. Instead of manually calculating them, Pandas groups them automatically. It's like having a mini accountant in your laptop. Then there's Merge, which works like joining two puzzle pieces perfectly, and Pivot Tables, which turn boring data into dynamic insights, and Date-Time Features, which can extract days, months, hours, even weekdays instantly. Time suddenly becomes data. But now comes the real twist. Pandas isn't just about handling data. It's about thinking like a data scientist. Once you understand Pandas, you start seeing patterns. You start asking better questions. You start understanding the story that data is trying to tell. Pandas teaches you not just to read numbers, but to interpret them. That is power. That is intelligence. That is the language of the future. And here's something I absolutely love. Pandas gives you confidence. You stop fearing large data sets. You stop avoiding analysis. You stop running from complexity because suddenly you know you have a tool that will handle everything. It's like being afraid of swimming. And then discovering you have a life jacket that never lets you drown. Pandas is that life jacket. And as we reach the end of this wonderfully nerdy adventure, let me leave you with this thought. Data is the heartbeat of the modern world. It moves everything. It shapes decisions, it drives innovation, and if data is the future, Pandas is your key to unlocking it. So if you ever wanted to become a data analyst, a machine learning engineer, a Python expert, or just someone who wants to understand technology on a deeper level, start with Pandas. Because once you master it, the world of data becomes your playground. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new today, if this video helped you understand Pandas in a way no boring tutorial ever could, then hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe to Ruby Parker, where learning meets the future. I'll see you in the next video. And trust me, the next topic is going to blow your mind even more. Until then, stay curious, stay excited, and keep learning.